In this video, I'm going to talk about engagement on LinkedIn. This is probably one of the most important elements of your LinkedIn strategy and makes a massive difference to the effectiveness of your content. It's important to engage on other people's content on LinkedIn as well as your own. From my experience, actively getting involved with other people's posts and contributing to conversations within your network or community builds your influence as much, if not more, than posting your own content. The two work well together though. When you add valuable comments on other people's posts, if people in their network read and find them interesting, they're likely to click through to your profile and even send a connection request, particularly if they see you commenting on a regular basis. On days I don't have anything to post on LinkedIn, I'll spend my time browsing through my feed and commenting on posts that relate to my profession or industry. It's worth answering questions whenever you can, which highlight your expertise. If you follow influencers or thought leaders in your field, getting involved in their conversations will give you exposure. So make sure you follow or connect with these types of people and consider who their audience are or who their own potential customers are likely to follow, so you can appear on their radar. I've been advised in the past that it's worth spending some time engaging with other people directly after posting your own content, as it helps that content perform better. This seems to hold true with all the social networks and has worked for me on LinkedIn and YouTube. It also made a difference on Instagram when I was more active over there. It might seem counterintuitive at first to spend your time commenting on other people's posts, but it really makes a difference to how you and your content are perceived by the algorithm. It's worth putting the time in for. If you find this content useful, please click on the like button, and if you'd like to learn more about LinkedIn and social media marketing, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.